What's up, everybody? So today I'm gonna play around with ChatGPT. I'm gonna be making a small story and telling it using AI tools such as Sora AI and other image generators. So I hope you enjoy the video and have a good one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below. That really helps the channel to grow, and I appreciate you watching the video.
Me the opportunity to buy yet another useless kitchen appliance.
It began quietly, a strange illness that no one took seriously at first. Just another flu, they said, another panic blown out of proportion. But this wasn't the flu. Within weeks, it became clear this wasn't something we could contain. Hospitals were overrun, entire cities fell silent, and then the real horror began. The virus didn't kill, it stripped away something fundamental.
Breaking tonight. Hospitals are overwhelmed as deadly airborne virus spreads rapidly. Patients show memory loss, confusion, and severe motor issues, leaving many completely dependent. Officials urge everyone to stay home, lock doors, and avoid all contact. More updates as we receive them.
60% of the world was left in a childlike stupor, unable to care for themselves. Those who remained were left to pick up the pieces. The burden was too great, too many mouths to feed, too many hands that couldn't work. Governments crumbled under the weight. The streets became battlegrounds as factions rose to take what they could. The military stepped in, but they weren't saviors. Martial law became a way of life. Brutality ruled the streets, and then the nukes went silent. No one knows how or why, but every warhead was suddenly useless. Some called it divine intervention. Others called sabotage. All we knew was that the rules of war has changed. But where it all started for me, the forums, the only place that was still felt alive and wasn't exactly controlled. While the world burned outside, I sat here, safe behind a screen, watch it all unfold. But safety was an illusion. The longer I stayed, the more I realized no one's coming to save us. If my family just one state over needed me. There's an old helicopter at a private airfield just outside the city. A Huey. It's my only way out. My only chance to go see my family again. It is impossible to use the roads. Everything is locked down. There's military checkpoints everywhere. The air, well, they might not be much safer, but it's all I've got.
Computer, battery.
They say you never know how far you go for the people that you love until you're tested. Well, I'm about to find out.